Hi guys, this is Monica, your local Scentsy fragrance consultant. I am in New Mexico. My website is midnightwax.scentsy.us and my YouTube is Spanish Halo. This is my February 11th wax melting challenge based on my battery percentage, which was at 43%. For the first 15 days, I'll be doing 2 bars a day, posting 2 bars a day. I might not finish them all. We'll see. So far, I have been finishing most of them, except like the bigger ones. But yeah. So the first thing we're gonna do is from Dollar General. This one is called Cozy Place Coconut and Tropical Palm. Eight little round. How do you open this? Let's see. Oh, coconut and tropical palm. It's a fresh scent, but it cracked sadly. So we're gonna have to melt through that one. The next one is from Goose Creek Autumn Sunlight. And I had they had a Black Friday sale. So, and this, oopsie, I almost hit myself. This one is smells good. Spice citrus, cinnamon stick, warm cardamom, and sunlit foliage. Oh yeah, it smells good. I smell the citrus and the cardamom. So February 11th, it is coconut and tropical palm and autumn sunlight to retail. And we'll see you guys tomorrow for February 12th. Again, this is Monica, your local Scentsy fragrance consultant. My website is midnightwax.scentsy.us and my YouTube is Spanish Halo. Thank you for watching.